Hello friend, if you might have seen the title, the big market crash is coming, you might thought that I am here to scare you, but I am not here to scare you. It's not which I am telling that big market crash is coming. A lot of big investors, big market analysts are saying that the market somewhere is reaching a peak and it is due for a big correction. But I am not here in this video to scare you for that. I am here to give you 3 steps which you should do immediately if you feel the threat which I am feeling to correct or to safeguard yourself from upcoming market volatility. So what is these steps? I will definitely tell you, but this video I will divide in 2 parts. First part, I will tell you the reasons which most of the big analysts and big market investors are giving for market sell-off or market corrections, and it is up to you to believe or not believe it. But as I always do in my videos, I always provide solutions. These videos are for solution, not to scare you, not to get the views. So I will provide you 3 steps which you can do to somehow safeguard yourself, your portfolio, your investment from upcoming market actions which may happen. So let's begin with that. So first part, let me tell you the reason which most of these big people are giving, and you should also consider it as a hint. Now nobody is God and I'm also not a God, so nobody can predict what exactly going to happen. Only people can somehow estimate. So first reason people are giving is over confidence in the market. Now understand, when everybody is greedy, you have to be fearful. When everybody is fearful, you have to be greedy. This is not my say. This is said by somebody you most of people are know, Warren Buffett, that if everything is going good and like the market is in the kind of mood of euphoria, you see pick up any stock, it just people are buying, people are breaking their FDs to put money in the stock market. Now these retail people, when they go mad, that is the biggest risk in the market, and that's what happening nowadays. You look at the SIP data, you look at the investment data, you look at the FNO market. Now most of you are aware that even SEBI is scared, RBI is scared that why retail people are playing in market in that way, right? So this is the first important. When everything is positive, everything is right, somehow as an investor you should feel there is a impending risk, there is somehow something bad cooking up. This is how you have to think. So this is the first reason, that everything is big happening good and people are just rushing to stock market. When this kind of euphoria happens, corrections generally are nearby. Now when and where, nobody knows. Second factor generally people are giving is most of the people, most of the business owners now rushing for listing their companies or selling their stocks, or somehow they're booking their profit. This is second you can say sign you should read, that somewhere they feel that market is very right to book some profit, to get out some money from their business and put it somewhere else. When the people who are running the company, they themselves selling stakes, selling their ownership, then why as a retail investor we are rushing and grabbing all those thrown up shares? Now understand, most of these big investors are only going to sell when they feel that there is more downside than upside from here, and they are at the driver's seat, so they can see the direction much clearer than us. We are most of us sitting in the back seat and just enjoying the view now. So my feeling is that, or people feel that if something is happening, the people who are sitting in driver's seat, management, directors, owners, they are dumping their stakes, they are selling, they are going for IPOs, then I think somewhere they are feeling that there is more down than up. Third reason, if I want to give you about this, is already it's going on from quite time. It is the longest running bull market. Now it can continue for another 6 months. The reason is, as market touches the new high, there is a more chances of correction than going up, because as it moves up, people come and people book their profit, especially the investors. Now this is happening from 2-3 months. If you might have noticed that Nifty is going from 24,500 to 25,300, 400, and every time it touches something, there is profit booking happening. Now who are booking the profit? These are not retail people, these are big people who are booking profit every time market is going up. So this is a third thing which I also feel that somehow giving a signal that a massive correction is going to come. Now Fourth reason, if I give from my side, is the percentage of retail participation in stock market and the risk. Why this is a risk, let me tell you. Now what happened, these retail people, they are now dumping money from everywhere, wherever they are getting. Soon they are going to be run out of liquidity. Now the problem, what happened when they run out of liquidity and market either doesn't move or it corrects slightly, these are the first people who will rush to sell their mutual fund and stocks. So when lot of part is with retail, and the retail people who are, even suppose 1 year market doesn't deliver, they will start talking about loss of FD returns, FD interest and all, and these are the first people who will run out of the market. These are the first people who are going to run out of market. So now I am here to give you the solutions, the 3 steps which I am going to give you, if you also feel the same way which I am feeling, to manage this impending risk. The first thing you can do is sell your top performing mutual fund and stocks up to 25% to 50% of your holding. So for example, if you're holding say stocks for 10 lakh, at least 2.5 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees, whatever you feel better, you should book your profit, right? Same way, you also sell your loss making stocks. So if any stock or mutual fund is not performing in this kind of bull market, it is not going to perform later also. So once the market will start correcting, these loss making will vanish. So just sell the biggest winners up to 25% to 50%, and also sell the biggest losers 100%. Book those money, and out of whatever money you are selling, 50% of that invest in FD or liquid funds. These are funds will be available when you are going, when market goes to correct, and there will be good opportunity to buy some good investment. So for example, if you are holding a, say for example, an investment of 10 lakh rupees, sell at least 2.5 lakh or 5 lakh rupees. Out of 5 lakh rupees, 2.5 lakh put in FD, and remaining 2.5 lakh invest in US mutual funds. This is good for diversification. Now in next video, I will definitely tell you 5 US based mutual fund where you can invest from the India itself. You don't have to go abroad, you don't have to send your money abroad. So next video, definitely I'm going to talk to 5 best US based mutual fund, best performing mutual fund, where you can do some kind of investment for diversification purpose. So this thing, simple step I told you, the first step, you have to sell it, the best performing up to 25% to 50%. Now 25% to 50% depends how much risk you feel, right? And then you also sell your losers stocks or mutual fund which are not performing now, because they are not going to perform ever. And whatever money you get out of that, in second step, you have to buy either a liquid fund or put into bank FD. Bank FDs are giving good return now, so you can lock some money in bank FD. Now whatever remaining 50% of that part is left, in step number 3rd, you can invest in best performing mutual fund of US. This will give you a diversification also, and this will also give you some better returns in long term. So that I will also explain you in next video why you should think about investing out of India also as an investor. So that's all friends in this video. Hope you like this, and if you really like, please subscribe and share so that I can make the next video on the best performing US mutual funds for you in upcoming video. That's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.